Did you know you need to use protection when you do art? Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So I was talking to another artist the other day and she doesn't use gloves when she does art. She says her hands become really sweaty. So what I would suggest is either using cornstarch or baby powder. Put it on your hands before you put your gloves on. This will protect your hands. It won't become sweaty and you could have protection. Now, gloves are very important because when you're doing art, you're playing with chemicals. You're playing with acrylics, you're playing with the media, you're playing with oils, you're playing with charcoal. All that stuff could get into your bloodstream in one way or another. So protect your hands, the best tools ever. Plus it's easier to clean up your hands at the end of the day. I hope that helps you. So until next Tuesday, love you guys. Bye-bye.